Hello and welcome. This is Rafi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an e-commerce lead list for your email marketing campaign. So in first phase, we're going to learn how we can get a list of e-commerce websites based on the e-commerce platform they are using. Then we're going to learn how we can get email addresses of those list of websites in a bulk way to save time. So without further ado, I'm going to use Hunter. I'm going to attach the link into the video description. So after coming up to this page, you're going to find list websites by technologies, this option. You can make a search here for any technology that you are looking for. For instance, if you're looking for, let's say, Shopify based website, you can make a search here. And if you are looking for, let's say, WordPress CMS based website, you can make a search here and it's going to populate the data. And other than that, if you just take a look here, if you scroll through, you're going to find the platforms based on the categories. For instance, you can see the e-commerce platform 3D Cart, then you have got WooCommerce, Zencart, then you have got BigCommerce, then you have got Shopify, Yahoo Commerce, Magento, and this stuff. And you can even build a lead list of CMS based websites. For instance, you can target websites built with WordPress, you can target websites built with Wix, you can target websites built with Squarespace, right? So it is amazing. Then we have got this option, marketing automation. So just take a look. You can build a website list who are using HubSpot marketing automation tool on their website. Then I have got this, let's say, Somome, Yoast SEO, MailChimp, and other tools, including ClickFunnels. And if you just take a look at in the analytics section, you can target websites who have been using Google Analytics, ClickTail, and other options, right? Even Hotjar, which is really fantastic. Then simply take a look here on this large list and you will be able to see what kind of website list that you can build based on payment options. You can build based on video players they are using. You can build a list of tag managers they're using. For instance, this is interesting. As you can see, websites which have been using Google tag managers, you can select them. Not even that, websites which have been monetized with Google AdSense, you can select that as well. And we have got, let's say, somewhere Google Wallet here. So Google AdSense as well, also available somewhere in this list I have seen. So simply take some time and you can basically find the information. Now let me show you how you can extract the website list now. So let's say we're going to target Shopify now. We can go with anything. So let's open this up in a new tab. And after that, you can see there are around 200k websites using Shopify. And after that, you can see some information, the websites using Shopify, the stripe.com, then these websites have been using Shopify, the language and other information. Then you have got website categories. Depending on the categories, you can basically select and move with and scrape the data off. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on this create my list option. And after that, it is going to take us to this page and you can basically select from here. Including Shopify, you can put some other let's say e-commerce platform as well. If you are looking for WooCommerce, simply select WooCommerce and then the list will be appeared here. After that, you have got the industry. So as you can see here, for your information, with free account we'll be able to scrape 5,000 website list at once. But if you use this trick in a several time, then you'll be able to build a large list of websites. So I'm going to show you how. So here, let's say industry. So you have to be very specific and narrow down the list so that you'll be able to extract more data by downloading multiple times. For instance, if I just show you here, I have just downloaded BigCommerce, then BigCommerce, and each of these let's say spreadsheets have 5,000 leads. All right. So here we go. I'm going to select industry, and then let's say I'm looking for websites who have been under beauty and fitness. If you want, you can select any other options from here. So let's go with beauty and fitness as of now. And after that, you can see there are 5,000 plus leads. And after that, you can select and narrow it down with that, let's say, location. You can target let's say Spain with ES. We can target France with .fr domains. We can target English websites with EN, but I'd love to keep this as it is. And after that, you can simply drag this to, let's say, reduce the numbers. And if you just do 2 scrape, then you'll be able to extract all of them. But I'm going to go with this one. As you can see here, it is start. The file will be limited to the first 5,000 websites, but if you want to increase, you have to upgrade the things. So 5,000 is more than enough for an email campaign, but if you want, you can simply go again and again and download rest of the data. So I'm going to click on validate the selection, and after that it is going to start creating the file for us, and then it is going to show us the download option. Here we go, and I'm going to give it a name. Let's say Shopify beauty and 5,000 as a name, and after that I'm going to click on save. And just take a look, I have downloaded all of these data earlier, right? So I'm going to take you here on my downloads folder, and here you go. If I open up this file, you'll be able to see, let's say, the domain name, the company name, then we have got the category beauty and fitness, then the language. Just take a look, English. They're going to see Italian based websites. You can basically filter this out on Excel, and then you're going to find France, then you're going to find many other like Brazil, then German, as you can see the DE, then Spain EN, and many other extensions which you can basically filter out if you need. And after that, the good thing is it is scraping data of, let's say, Twitter profiles, as you can see here, Facebook profiles for many of the website, which is actually going to save you a whole lot of time, and it is going to help you out on better communication. And then you can see a stats of how many emails does these websites have on Hunter, or how many emails they have found if you are using Hunter. So let me show you how you can get email address. And not only that, if I just scroll through, you'll see that there are around 5,000 website. Here we go, 5,000, the last one. And now let me just scroll up, and then I'm going to show you how we can extract the data of in a bulk way, or let's say email addresses, so that you'll be able to send emails. So I'm going to take you to dashboard, and after that you have to go here on this bulks option, and then we have to use the domain search, find email addresses from a list of websites or companies. So I'm going to click here, and after that I'm going to click on new bulk, and then you have to give it a name. So let's say Shopify as an example, and then I'm going to type out this one type of input. So we're going to import domain names, which is going to be helpful for the tool to get the email addresses for us very specific way. And after that, you can basically put the list of domains here by copying, pasting from the database, or you can directly upload the files from your computer in a CSV file, Excel, or number text file, right? So I'm using a free version of this tool, so I'm going to use copy pasting method for, let's say, first 20 results, and let's see how it goes. I'm going to paste all of them here. And after that, we have got set filters and options, so you can basically maximize the number of email addresses that you are looking for per domain. So I'm going to keep it to only one email address that I'm looking for. Then if you want, you can verify the email address for validity, which is really important for an email marketing campaign to be successful. Otherwise, many of the emails might going to go bounced, and which is not good for your email reputation. And after that, I'm going to keep this no, as I'm using the free version. And after that, the filters option, as you can see, email type. So if you were looking for a personal email address, let's say if you're looking for an executive's email, it could be a CEO, it could be a CMO, this kind of task, then you can basically click on personal. But as I'm using free version, I'm going to select, let's say, generic and personal, so that I'll have more opportunities. But before that, let me just show you some options. As you can see here, personal emails only. If you select this one, the tool is going to collect email addresses of personal domain. And if you are selecting its priority, so what it is going to do, it is going to go through the domains, and then if it does find a personal email, it is going to collect the personal email. But if it doesn't find the personal emails, then it is going to collect the generic emails like contact@domain name, info@the company domain name, etc. So I'm going to go with only. And after that, from departments, you can select this one, the following departments, and then you can put, let's say, executive, then any other departments. But if you want, you can go with all departments, so that the chances of getting an email address from that company will be higher. But if you want to be very specific, you can select this option and go with this specific, let's say, section or department of the website. So I'd love to give it a chance to get us some data. So in this case, I'm going to select all departments, and I can select generic and personal. It's all right for me. And then the required field, if you want, you can put anything. Let's say if you want to get the phone numbers as well, if you want to get position, full name. So I don't need them. So let me click on upload, and after that you're gonna see just take a look, 19 domain names and 17 email address found. That means within like second we have got this data. And if you just take a look, we have got, here you go, here are the names and things. Right here you can see the email address, the domain name, the organization name, then the country, then the state address information, as you can see here, which is really important in some cases for some people. Then you have got the email type, personal, generic, then number of sources, how many sources the email address they found in, then the pattern, and then you have got the first name, last name, department, it got the CEO's information, and for two of them it got support information. So this is how within like few minutes, we like few seconds, we got like 17 email addresses. Now if I click on download, the data will be downloaded and I'll be able to use the data for my future email marketing campaign. So this was the process how you can get a list of websites based on the e-commerce platform they use, and how you can get email address of these domains that you're gonna scrape. So I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and let me know your opinion by commenting below, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.